Hey guys, this is Autumn with KJ Bath and Body, back to make another soap video and another soap for you guys. Today we're going to try out a new tool. I got this off of Etsy and I want to give it a try. I want to try to do a one pot wonder with this cup. I've got 5 different colors that I'm going to put into here and we'll give it a whirl. So let's get everything ready. I've got my oils in my bucket already. Let's put the kaolin clay into my oils first. I always like to add my powder ingredients to just my oils so I can make sure they are good and mixed in before I add my lye. That way I don't overmix my batter and make it accelerate. All right, let's get this mixed in. Okay, I've got the kaolin clay mixed in. Let's go ahead and put our lye solution in and we will get started. Okay, we're gonna mix this just for a second, just until it's kind of mixed together. We're not even gonna take this to emulsion, not yet. We got plenty of colors and fragrance that we still have to mix into the batter, so it will get mixed and it will have a it'll get to light trace before we pour it. Okay, that's all we're doing. Now to do this pour, the one pot, is it called a one pot wonder? I think it is. You want to have a very thin batter. So let's get our colors poured off. And we want to get these as even as possible, but it does not have to be exact. I'm not weighing anything. I'm going to go back down here. Hopefully this batter does not get speed up on me. I don't know what it is. I buy a my olive oil from a discount store, from a store called Winco, and I've been using that olive oil for a very long time, and I know how it reacts in my batter. And recently I had bought a whole bunch of olive oil from WSP, and it's a lighter color olive oil, and I was really excited to get my batter lighter and have whiter whites and brighter colors, but it speeds up my batter. So I ended up, I haven't been really using it, but I need to use it up. And I have no idea why it speeds up my batter, but it really does. So the first one, let's do this one. We've got Jaded. That's this color. And that's from a mica company, a mica business that's no longer in business, so I'm not gonna bother giving you guys their name because you can't buy it. Okay, and then we have this color. This color is also from a business that no longer is in business. And then we have some Trial by Fire. We don't need a whole bunch of that. There we go. And then we have Blue Skies from Be Scented. It's a really pretty blue. And then I have some ultramarine blue. that's pre-mixed. Ultramarine blue is my preferred true blue color to use. Okay, and then for my fragrance, I have a special blend that I did myself. It's 3 different fragrances. It's kind of give you away my theme. Okay, so I have Blueberry by Bee Scented, Cannabis Flower by WSP. I don't think they make this anymore. I'm not sure. And then Mulberry, WSP. Let's see. Okay, we'll get. Let's add some fragrance and give it one of these a stir and see how it acts. A little bit. Oh, I love ultramarine blue. Look at that. Okay, seems to be acting all right. Let's go down here. We'll just do a little teeny bit in each one. Here we go. This has got a very sweet, earthy, fruity from the blueberry. The sweet is from the mulberry fragrance, and then the earthy and the flowery is from the cannabis flower. That's a gorgeous color too. And it is speeding up. It's the olive oil that's speeding up my batter right now. It is not the fragrance at all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this pour. Yes, we shall see. Oh, and this Trial by Fire is actually mixed with some Pearl Pink from TKB Trading. This is the red. This is the mixture that I used for my pencil soap last week. Okay, see how we're doing. We're looking pretty okay. Okay, so let's put these to the side. Let's get this show on the road while we have some time. Hey guys, this is VoiceOver Autumn. I wanted to talk to you about this pour cup. I've had this pour cup for some months now. It was the talk of all the soap groups for a while, and my experience with it has been just this one pour. Unfortunately, I think my soap batter, it speeds up and it gets, and while it's in the cup, it expanded, and I think that's what caused it to crack, because I got a couple cracks in it, and I won't be able to use it again. And it was a $30 cup. But that was the great debate on, in the soap groups about how durable these are for CP soap. So I've got one really awesome pour. You're about to see it. And yeah, please enjoy. Okay, we're gonna have to fill it up again. my red. Yeah, sometimes, ooh, this blue is trying to get really thick on me really quick. Get this out of here. Oh, my blues are doing it to me. No, come on. Come on. My greens are staying nice and fluid. Come on. Come on. Ooh. It's gonna be a messy one. I got soap pouring everywhere. Okay. I think we can all get this started and let's go. I think that's it. That's all it's gonna let me pour out of there. For my embeds, I have some pretty leaves. And then I've got blueberries to represent the blueberry fragrance, and then then I just have some little teeny cute ladybugs and a couple other bugs, and it's gonna be cute. So we're gonna put these on top. So I hope you enjoyed watching those embeds go on top. I had a really good time with the ladybugs and all the little tiny blueberries. It's very cute. So don't go anywhere. After this glitter, the cut is coming next. This is exactly the design I was going for. I was trying to achieve something like the one pot wonder, and I think the pour is very similar with keeping the colors separate and the side-to-side motion. You can definitely see where I had to fill up my cup and go for a second pour, but I think that just adds to the character of the design. So the name of this soap is Blueberry Kush, and as far as the ladybugs are great for plants. They eat all the nasty bugs that eat the leaves on the plants. So I had the mold and I think they're adorable, so I wanted to add those in there. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and leave a great big thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. I'm almost to 300 subscribers. I can't believe that 300 people want to watch little old me make soap, but that is awesome. I'm very appreciative. So let's try to get to 300. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave you with some soap stamping. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.